Hi, I'm Tyler Pruitt and I work at Creative Carriage. We build wheelchair accessible vans. Here at Creative Carriage, I'm a welder fabricator, and basically I fabricate the vans from start to finish. Probably one of the coolest projects I've done so far is actually we just finished the Toronto Transit bus. So that's the TTC. It's just cool to work on something on such a large scale. They're one of the largest transit systems in Canada, so it's just cool that I helped build that, and pretty exciting.
My name is Pablo Unevar. I work in Brook Signs. Brook Signs, we make basically all signs that you see out there in the roads, malls, anything from letters to huge pylons. What I like best about my job is that I work with a wonderful group of people. Also the independence that I have to do my job. Many times I'm able to put my own thoughts on the job. It's very, very gratifying.
My name is Brady Curtis. I work at Walters Group Inc. The products we make at Walters Inc. is all structural steel. A lot of big skyscrapers, arenas. We did a stadium in Regina for the Saskatchewan Rough Riders. Right now we're working on American Dream, which is going to be the biggest mall in America.
I got into manufacturing when I was 15 years old, actually. I started in a factory and worked there for 5 years. It wasn't for me. I needed to get out and do something more exciting. And I was always told trades are the way to go. I got here into Creative Carriage and loved it ever since.
My job at Walters is a fitter, so I put the steel together and then it goes for welding, blast, and paint. A lot of the skills involved in fitting is math. Math's a big one, finding angles of a piece and how you have to put it. Teamwork's a big thing in fabrication. If you can't get along with the person beside you, you're really not going to do well in fabrication.
To be able to do this job, you have to have knowledge on what you're doing. From understanding blueprints, in my case, I went to school for welding. That's very important if you want to go forward in your career, no?
I find the coolest part about working in manufacturing is seeing the final project, seeing all the steps that made it get to where it is.
I take pride in making sure my work looks good. People will see it, the public will notice it, so I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so just want to make sure it looks good and it's square. And
Usually I take my family for sign trips, so I go with my kids and I start, oh look, that I make diamond.